Welcome. In this updated guide, we will discuss how to fix Facebook login problems. Follow these top ways to troubleshoot and resolve issues with logging into Facebook. 1. Check your connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to access the Facebook login page. A strong connection is crucial for a smooth login process. 2. Check for updates. Make sure the Facebook app is up to date with the latest version available. Updates often contain fixes that can address login issues. 3. Restart your phone. Restarting your phone can help refresh its system and settings, potentially resolving any issues causing login problems on the Facebook app. 4. Free up storage space. Ensure your device has sufficient storage space available for the Facebook app to operate smoothly. Clearing out unnecessary files can improve the login process. 5. Allow all permissions. Verify that the Facebook app has all necessary permissions enabled on your device. Granting permissions, such as access to contacts and location, can enhance the login experience. 6. Background data. Enable background data for the Facebook app in your device settings. Allowing background data access can help the app function effectively and address login issues. 7. Check if your account has been hacked. If you are still experiencing login problems, check if your Facebook account has been hacked. Take necessary steps to secure your account and regain access. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix Facebook login problems effectively. Ensure a seamless login experience on Facebook by addressing these common issues. Thank you for watching, and we hope these solutions help you log into Facebook without any difficulties.